This 2010 Buick Enclave is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Enclave CXL 2 power sliding sunroof navigation system, rear DVD, rear view camera, rear parking sensors, heated front seats, cooled front seats, third row seating, power windows, power rear tailgate, cruise control, power exterior mirrors, chrome wheels, 3.6L V6 engine, automatic transmission, keyless entry, black exterior, black leather interior. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2010 Buick Enclave CXL2 is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the right to withdraw. Term and visit us at autogallerychicago.com.